Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. See you again in this channel. We meet again here. This video is about how to fix an Axioo laptop that is on and off continuously, as you can see on this video. What is the problem source of this trouble? Usually, this is caused by the problem of the power button, especially for the laptop that its power button included in the keyboard like this. We know that the keyboard key like this is easily damaged, and this condition usually caused by the power button that's sticky, detected by the system that this power button continues to be pressed even though it's not actually pressed. So we need to release this. Remove the key, as you can see on this video. Remove the key and then followed by its holder, and then separate the mica. Okay, let's see. Now the laptop can lock into the Windows. This means this is working well now. Now this laptop not shut off suddenly as before. Once again, this is caused by the problem of the power button that is included in the keyboard unit. After this, we can install again this key as before. So the job have done now. Okay, I hope this video will useful. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.